Downloading data from X2025 can be straightforward if you follow these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Access the platform. Visit the official website or application for X2025. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and that you are logged into your account. Step 2. Locate the data section. Once logged in, navigate to the section of the platform where data is stored. This may be labeled as data, reports, or something similar. Step 3. Select the data you need. Browse through the available datasets and select the specific data you wish to download. You may have options to filter or search for particular datasets. Step 4. Choose the download format. After selecting the data, look for download options. Common formats include CSV, Excel, or PDF. Choose the format that best suits your needs. Step 5. Initiate the download. Click on the download button or link. Depending on your browser settings, the file may automatically download to your default downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully download the data you need from X2025. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section of the platform for further assistance.